Hey everybody, welcome to Romans 116 Garage. Today we're going to be looking at our Lamborghini Gallardo Spider. We're actually at a car show today in Cold Spring, Texas, and I thought this a great time to film the Lamborghini and share it with you in today's video. So we're going to be going into everything Lamborghini Gallardo Spider, and at the end of this video we're going to go for a ride. So stay tuned to the very end. So as you can see with this Lamborghini Gallardo Spider, it is a different kind of color. It's more of a deep maroon red rather than what you usually think of a Lamborghini, a yellow or a bright red. I really like this color on our vehicle because it is just something rare and it's really beautiful. So I have the Lamborghini Gallardo opened up here. You can see the frunk and everything that's in it there. We are showing this today in the car show, so it's all set up for showing, and we're actually still kind of cleaning it, but this is what it looks like. This Lamborghini Gallardo Spider is over 500 horsepower. It goes 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. It's a V10 and it has 8,000 RPMs of pure chaos. So I wanted to kind of share with you the speed that it has. The way the car is, it actually sits really low and it's really wide, and the steering is a bit heavy. We do have other vehicles you may have seen here on Romans 116 Garage, and in comparison to some of the other vehicles that we have, like the Ferrari, this one does drive a bit rougher, and it is a vehicle that you can do a lot more in though. I would say that this vehicle, you could take it out to dinner, you could drive it around to more places probably, and so it is a vehicle that we are enjoying right now. We've had this vehicle for less than a year, and so as you can see, this is the interior of our Lamborghini. It does seem to us that the interior was renovated or replaced, and that's one of the things with having a Lamborghini with the top down. The interior can get damaged quicker and things like that, and so that's one of the things that has probably happened to this Lamborghini, but we do love the way that everything has been set up in it, and we are really enjoying it. So as you can see, I'm just kind of taking the camera around and showing you different parts of the Lamborghini. When we are driving out with this Lamborghini, people always stop, they take their phones out, they take pictures, they wave us down, and oftentimes when we just pull over to get gas, it turns into almost like a meet because people want to come up to us and ask us questions about the vehicle. So making this video is a great way to share our vehicle with others as well. If you enjoy videos like today's video, I would encourage you to subscribe to our channel. We have quite a collection here at Romans 116 Garage, and we have lots of exciting videos planned for this year, as well as car shows that we're attending and so much more. So hit that subscribe button and come back for those videos. I'm going to stop talking and just allow you to take in our Lamborghini Gallardo Spider, and I will be back with you at the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed the video that I made here of the Lamborghini Gallardo Spider. The Wolf Creek car show here in Cold Spring, Texas is now ending and people are driving home and we are about to get on the road. So stay tuned here with me. We're going to take a ride in the Lamborghini back home. I just want to share with you quickly that our car did win a prize here at the Wolf Creek car show. It won exotics, but let's go ahead and get in and drive home.